QRO Tech QRO-401 Automotive Emission Analyzer. This analyzer is equipment to measure the gas emission density of an automobile, enabling to diagnose the automobile status and its preventive maintenance so that it can provide a function to prevent the air pollution in advance. Measuring item: CO, HC, CO2, O2, air plus rate, AFR, and NOx. Measuring method: NDIR method and electrochemical cell. QRO Tech OPA-101 Automotive Opacity Smoke Meter. This measures smoke density of automobile or burning fuel to diagnose the condition of automobile and provide preventive maintenance in order to avoid air pollution. Measuring item method: smoke opacity percentage. Light extinction method: partial flow sampling type. Light source: green LED, 565 nm. Detector: photodiode. QR Tech QRO-401. Ano yan? Auto print na? Ay, wala pang auto print yan, ano?
Doon po
magpiprint sa loob.
Kaso na rin eh, nung pinakatay tayo kanina. Pero pwede naman sana.
Dito nalalaman yung CO2 emission.
CO po.
Anong percentage yung bagsak pagka mga ganyang sedan na 1.3 displacement?
0.1 lang yun. Kapag lumampas ng 0.25 to, bagsak na mataas pa. Dito naman hanggang 100 tayo. 18 lang.
Hindi.
Akala ko.
Hindi.
Yan,
pasado na. 18 lang eh.
Pasado?
Oo. Eh, bago pa naman.
Bago pa.
Wala pa namang kanya.
Tubig pa nga po.
Oo. Kinukuha ng picture.